Hello guys, so we back on that Golf Golf TSI, Golf 7 TSI in Soshangube. So we did service on this car, we did major service, and then after we were done with the major service, we found a cooling system. Our cooling system was very bad. So to start with a water pump, our water pump is leaking, and then if you can check inside here, they removed the second thermostat, so there's only one thermostat that is left here. This one, they removed it so that it can just the water can just circulate. So this is our new water pump that we're gonna fit. And then the other thing is that the previous mechanic, they used the wrong fan on this car. So this is the fan that I took out of the car, which is very small, and then we're gonna use the correct fan, this big correct fan. This is the correct fan for this car. And then, as you can see on the plug here, they removed these two plugs for the temperature switch. So actually they breezed the fan, so when you start the car, the fan was just on. And then I don't know why they did that, but this is the correct fan that I have already put on the fan frame. And then our third problem is this temperature switch, so I think that's why they breezed the fan. So this temperature switch is faulty. You can see it's even turning here. It's not supposed to turn like this. It must be solid. It mustn't even turn. If you can check, my new temperature switch doesn't turn at all, meaning it's still in good condition. So we're changing the temperature switch, water pump and thermostat, and then we're also changing the fan. And then the other thing that we're going to change is my oxygen sensor bank 1, that is also faulty. Is this one here that I'm gonna remove after I'm done with the cooling system. And then we're also having our G12 antifreeze that we're gonna use after we're done putting everything. So we're replacing temperature switch, water pump and thermostat complete with our temperature switch. And then this is the V belt for the water pump. And then this is my new fan that I'm fitting, the old fan, as you can see here. And then my water pump and thermostat, old one. So water pump was leaking, thermostat is removed inside, and then my temperature switch is damaged. Last time when I did diagnostic, I saw this was damaged. And then also showing our fan that is have a faulty because it's the wrong fan. So yeah, let me fit everything back, and then I'll just have to clean here, put the water pump and thermostat, and then put the fan back. And then we'll see if the fan will kick by itself, not by breaching. So let me put everything back on a Golf 7 TSI.